Okay guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna be riding my bike. I'm gonna do like 40 kilometers and something like that. So I'm going to ride my bike in the community where I grew up. It's gonna be fun. Let's go. Let's do it. So here we go. From my house to the community is like about 40 minutes because the road is not good enough. Okay guys, I just got off of the highway, so I'm in like a small road. So I'm on my way to the community. Okay guys, this is the community. I grew up here. So you see that store over there? We used to buy all the grocery there. So alright guys, we're just gonna start. So by my side, Pocho. So that's gonna be like 40 kilometers. So it's gonna be fun. We are here in the community where I grew up with, and it's called La Represa. So here we are. I learned my bike to a friend. He break this part of my bike, so now it's gonna be hard for me. Say something.
Hello, people.
You're gonna up. Gonna be up. Okay, that was really hard to climb up. So I'm really tired.
Later, my legs is really pain.
Here we go. Okay guys, here we are. We just done. We've been driving the bike like for 3 hours, so we are really tired. Guys, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up and see you next.